Get ready with me for a typical winter hike in British Columbia. Because this hike is in February, I layer up thermal leggings with warm sweater because especially hiking high elevations, you just never really know how cold it will get when you're up there. I also pack some light snacks with me, bring my journal, sunglasses, my camera stand, compact machete, nothing too big, water with lemon, bear spray, and some IDs and credit card. I finish up with wool socks and a light warm jacket that I can easily take off and put in my backpack if necessary.